Welcome to Wayne's World Garage. Today we're at the sawmill where Doug and I are sharpening the carbide teeth of the 56-inch diameter saw blade. This makes a huge difference in how the saw cuts, but sadly we hit at least 5 small screws while cutting some ipe wood right after we sharpened them. Guess we'll sharpen them next week again. Hope you enjoy this. Thanks for watching, and please give this a thumbs up and click subscribe. So what we're trying to do is so what Doug's looking for, Doug, you can explain it, is as this gets shorter, as we grind away, it gets smaller. He's looking for the small shadow. I don't know how he can see it. I sure can't see it. I see shadow. No, but the hickory, what I've observed is when I cut hickory at home with a chainsaw, it gums it up.
Oh, this is bad.
Oh yeah, it was all sorts of creosote. I don't know if it's creosote, but it got hot and it gooped it up. But
some of these teeth are just nothing left on that edge.
Yeah. Alrighty.
But they don't look really chipped that bad. I will probably get away with it.
We'll just sharpen it a little bit, Doug.
Sharpen it a little bit. Here's our broken one.
Start with our broken one, and where we are, maybe.
Yeah.
Alright. We need it more. I think.
It looks like.
You see the shiny part down there? I don't know if you can see it.
Yeah, I can't. It looks like we're resting on it.
Okay, so maybe we're not lifting it up enough.
Blocks of wood the same.
Yeah, that last one wasn't sitting on the.
So that looks good.
Ready to
Except
go.
we completely took the tip off. It's rounded over on the top, so we need to do it again. It's gotta stay flat against the bit while you're grinding, right?
And we'll get in the swing of it. Ready? So when. You've got better eyes than I do.
How's it look, Pete?
Yeah, push it over.
A little more. 58.
58. That's right. We're missing one. Doug, you got these all done. I'm ready to come back and help now. So what we're trying to do is so what Doug's looking for, Doug, you can explain it, is as this gets shorter, as we grind away, it gets smaller. He's looking for the small shadow. I don't know how he can see it. I sure can't see it. I see shadows all day long, but not the one I'm talking about. Ready? Good.
That one didn't need much. There you go.
What we're looking at is the teeth here, and you can see these teeth are kind of shiny up there.
Yep.
And once they're shiny there, and Doug can see the shadow just appearing as we sharpen it, and that's kind of what we're looking for.
Yeah. So when we're done with this and I'm checking them, I'm just running my thumb along the edge to make sure that we that we got a good grind all the way to the edge, so that we've got an edge on it.
Yeah, and it's a diamond grinder, carbide tips. It seems to work pretty well.
Yep.
So
it
cool.
might look like it's grind all the way across, but then when you run your thumb across it,
It'll make a big difference. It'll make a huge difference. All right, well there you go. That's how you sharpen a 56-inch diameter saw blade. I hope you like this. Please hit subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment. Have a good day.